Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video. It's kind of a reiteration of the ramp up video, but maybe described in a little bit of a different way. It's important to go over the important themes of our business because this is a business that once you get into the role of things, it doesn't change very much day to day in terms of the operations. I do tell the store level employees one of the best things about this job is the different cars that come in every day, but one of the things that is also best about this business is the routine has flavor to it, but it becomes a routine. So I put together this little doc. I will share the doc in the YouTube link and on Slack. It's just basically the challenges of an interval-based business, which a lot of you already know, but it does need to be restated, and the advantages of an interval-based business. I'm not one to ever read directly off of a sheet, so I'm just gonna spitball it here. Really, what's important to talk about is just mitigating expectations of the first 9 to 12 months, because when you go into a town, especially a town of less than, say, 20,000 people, at any given time, 70% of those people might not be in the market for their oil change. And then of the remaining 30%, those people need to be grabbed from somewhere else. And so it can get frustrating at times building the business, but one of the most fun parts about business is the building part of it. I understand it can also be stressful, but at the same time, you're building something that will create a predictable customer return rate, and a high LTV, which is something we talk about a lot at training. Um, so, I don't want to go through this list. You can all read it. Um, but it does need to be stated that this is a heavily interval dependent business that can impact those early day numbers. And we have countless people in our system who cross month 9 through 14, and all of a sudden it changed on a dime. And so the best thing I can say is keep at it, keep acquiring customers, keep doing the things needed to do to acquire customers, get on your ops calls, participate in the system, participate in Slack. This business will eventually on its own get to a place where the model alone works. But if you want to get there faster, you got to do the things necessary to get people in the doors. And every single day in Slack, we have people talking about those things from their experiences, and giving good ideas and sharing ideas. So just an important little reminder I wanted to put out there, because it's important to have these conversations on a return basis, on an interval basis as well. Thanks. Bye.